Hey, it's Mustang Stampede. Out here checking out the Elitewill 2 trimmer holder rack, I guess you'd say. It does come with locks. I'll just use carabiners on there. I'm not messing with extra keys and locks. It does have the foam pad to lock down on your trimmer. This one is a 324L Husky that runs just normal gas. It's a 4-stroke. I really like those. I have 2 of them. It does have the locking mechanism here where you have to like bring the weed eater through the gap. Okay. I just bought a brand new FS91R. I paid $36 for it because John Deere Ag Pro actually owed me, they owe me about $1,100, but they finally gave me $350 of it as in-store credit. So I picked up one of those. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but it locks really well on the handle. This Elitewill does. And again, I just use the carabiner up here to hold this on. Now, when you open your box for your Elitewill packaging, you'll have 2 packs of bolts. Okay, you'll need to put 2 on this side, 2 on this side. I believe they were 13 and 14 millimeter, and then the nuts on the back side. They are locking, nylon locking. Again, you're doing the same on this side. Okay, they do not, with this one that I've purchased, they do not give you bolts to mount to your trailer. So I went and got some stainless steel bolts, washers, and locking nuts. 1.25 inches, I believe, is fine, by 3/8. And then same here, mounting on your trailer. I don't do a lot of yard work, but I am tired of having my trimmers just bouncing all over the place. So I thought I'd purchase this. Link will be in the description. I also got a new spool holder for my trimming string, so I'll put a link in the description for that as well. Any questions, leave me a comment, but extremely easy to install. Takes no time at all. The longest part of the process is probably connecting these. It's pretty sturdy. I guess I'll see how well it holds up. I will probably clean this edge and weld it there and along the back side. Back here, I'll go ahead and weld across back through there too. Other than that, it's not too big of a deal. So any questions, let me know. As always, thanks for watching.